Today, I am giving you a tour of 3655 West Fairview Lane in Chandler, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Chandler, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Chandler. Welcome to this amazing one-story home in Chandler. It features vaulted ceilings, real wood floors, and an open floor plan. It also includes a formal living and dining area, a separate family room, and 4 spacious bedrooms. The kitchen is equipped with all necessary appliances, a pantry, and a breakfast nook that overlooks the lush backyard. This house is conveniently located minutes away from Stellar Airpark, Intel, Chandler Mall, the 101 and 202, and many restaurants. A lovely park is located just down the street, with a playground and plenty of room for outdoor activities. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, www.leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's www.leaseaz.com. The house comes with a 2-car garage and an inside laundry room for added convenience. Blinds, shades, and ceiling fans are also installed throughout the house. Other features include a backyard with a covered patio, professional landscaping with a large grass area, and a spacious garden bed waiting for you to plant your own flowers or vegetables. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enjoy all that this property has to offer. Send in an application before it's gone.